we are now, the lookout viewpoint is called Sofitel. This is the hotel Sofitel. The complete circle. Where are you from, everybody?
Chicago.
The complete circle island tour in Morea is 39 miles. The population on this island is 17,234 persons living in this island on November 2012. Is the last time we count. Now it's 17,500. Okay? Alors, Morea, 7 villages and 7 primary schools. 2 secondary school, just 16 years old. And after 16 years old, the young people go in Tahiti. For the high school and the university, we go, the college for you, sorry, the college and the university, we go in Tahiti. Every day. You see with the ferry, cool. Half an hour is nothing. Huh? We use the ferry, look like the subway every day, relaxing. It's only 9 miles between Tahiti and Morea, 9 miles. But it's very, very deep because it's 1 mile a deep. Oh putain. That means Morea and Tahiti is not the island look like that. It look like that. Tahiti and Morea is very high, very fast. You understand that?
Yes.
Super. Alors, magic.
Ah!
I love it.
I love it too.
We are just here. This is the pass. Up. So really good. You know what is that?
Lagoon.
Reef. That is the reef. The lagoon is the water between the island and the reef. This water is called lagoon. In Morea we have the lagoon everywhere on the road and we move with the boat. Easy. We move on the boat. Huh?
That's the sound we're going to make.
Here, look here. Just here, the barrier reef touch the beach.
Oh.
It's just here.
Yep.
Huh.
There's only one place in Morea where you don't see the lagoon, the water, is here. Because we have the wave come directly on the barrier reef. You understand?
Yes.
This is why when we want to do the tour with the boat, it's obligatory you go on the ocean from here, you turn, and you come back from here. From here. You see the opening?
Mm-hmm.
We use what we call the passage. Passage is where the reef is open. You understand?
Yes.
And that is very important. In Morea is open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times. In Morea we have 12 passage on the barrier reef. All as natural. Oh, you know why? Why? Because yes, 1 point. Yeah, because the reef is a coral, and the coral live. But where the coral live? Only on the salt water. That means where the river from the mountain arrive with the fresh water and the sediment, the passage river on the barrier reef, the corals die. You understand? We have 12 passages because we have 12 rivers in Morea. But if you do snorkeling, in the afternoon probably, snorkeling on the lagoon, if you drink a little bit water, ah merde! Shit! It's salt. Because with the wave from the ocean, the water from ocean come on the lagoon, create the current on the lagoon, recycle the water on the lagoon, and up, back from the next passage. The water from ocean come, traverse back, come, traverse back, come, traverse back, come, traverse. You understand? And because we have these 12 passages on the reef, the recycled water on the lagoon is permanent. Every time the water change on the lagoon. This is why the quality water on the lagoon has the same quality with ocean water. Same quality, same life. Oh putain. Same life inside and outside. That means on the lagoon we have the coral, we have the fish, we have the turtle, we have the stingrays, we have the shark, we have the dolphin, and between July to November, humpback whales. For the humpback whales, it's not on the blue turquoise. No, it's too shallow. But where you see the blue dark on the lagoon, the humpback whales come here,
Wow.
stay 1 hour, 1 week sometimes.
Oh my
No
God.
problem.
That's
It's coming
amazing.
Polynesia for give the new life and for the reproduction. Yeah,
Wow.
because the
That's
the
amazing.
whales come from Antarctica. Antarctica is a problem. The water is too cold for the baby in Antarctica when he's born. This is why Mama come here for give the new light on a good temperature water. But she don't come alone. She come with the baby sister, the second female. Okay? Because baby when he's born don't know use the air. You know, it's not automatic. Mama push her baby waist on the surface. She show, hey, the air is here. But after the long trip, Mama is tired. This is why when she's sleeping, the baby sister push the baby on the surface too. You understand?
Uh-huh.
And after 1 or 2 weeks, the baby understand. My air is on the surface, is go alone. At this moment, Mama and baby stay together. And the second female, the baby sister, she's already for, oh, the male, come on. This is why the male come too. And we have the reproduction. And because the gestation was 11 months for the humpback whales, the baby sister the year before come back the year after for give the new life. It's a cycle. You understand?
Yes.
Sperm whales, we have some passage of the sperm whales here, but not a lot. And we don't have many. We see sometimes between Tahiti and Morea, but not look like humpback whales. It's just a passage. Alors, now, look like for the killer whales. The last week we see the killer whales. But that
What?
normally we don't have here. It's too hot. But sometimes we don't know why. You have the group, it's coming. Alors now, that is Morea. You go to Bora Bora after?
Yes.
Okay, Bora Bora, okay? The design, I don't know if... je m'en branle. Sorry, but this is, imagine the design of Bora Bora. This is the barrier reef in Bora Bora, okay?
One passage.
Because I hear every time everybody, Frankie, you know, we go in Bora Bora. Bora Bora.
No.
What Bora Bora? One pass. You imagine the time of necessary for the recycled water? It's too slow. No. We don't compare Morea and Bora Bora. Morea is very better for the snorkeling.
Oh.
You understand?
Yes.
But if Bora Bora is popular in the world, it's not for nothing. The color of the lagoon in Bora Bora, oh, incredible. Incredible, not bubble, no, incredible, two bubble, because it's so beautiful. Especially from the sky. You go in a plane in Bora Bora?
No, we're sailing.
Yeah, okay. Oh, we speak together. Okay. But with the sailboat, I'm sure you love, because Bora Bora, every island on a sailboat is better.
Oh,
Well,
wonderful.
yes, that is my,
Oh,
it's
good.
my life. I live on a sailboat.
Oh, this is our captain.
I read that I have
Yeah.
55 colors of blue.
Oh, yeah. No, it's incredible. It's very fantastic, the contrast color. But
Mapiti.
Mopiti, be careful, not easy. The pass on the reef is only if the weather is good, and because the general wave and the wind come from northwest, east, northeast. It's just on the angle of the pass. Be careful. But Mopitis. But it's easy. You stay 1 day in Bora Bora and you go for the day tour with the shuttle in Mopiti. If you see the weather is a little bit so-so for the sailboat, it's possible to do the tour. Yeah, one thing you see in Bora Bora and you don't see in Morea. Okay, no, because I'm just man. It's one thing you see in Bora Bora, you don't see in Morea. You know what?
Famous people.
The power cable.
Oh.
Yes, in Morea, look. No power cable. In Bora Bora, it's everywhere.
Huh.
I try take the picture of the mountain with no cable. Good luck.
Huh.
Morea is 100% power is underground. 85% of the phone line is underground in Morea. Bora Bora is on air. But you know, internet for finish, where it's from in Polynesia? Internet come from Hawaii.
Huh.
We have the fiber cable from Hawaii to Tahiti on the water. 2,500 miles.
Wow.
And after from Tahiti, we dispatching on the island with the fiber cable or with the satellite.
That's interesting.
You understand?
Yes.
Allez, picture time now.
Oh, thank you.
And you don't come with the sailboat in Morea?
No, we're sailing from Raiatea
Ah, yeah, you're starting right
in
here.
Utora.
Which
Oh.
boat? Catamaran?
Dream yacht.
The Dream Charter?
Yeah.
Hey guys,
Alors, you know, I
count the group, then we can do our.
Okay.